Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, let's get ready to griddle. Hey y'all, that's a Baja slinking under the griddle. I don't know what she's doing. You can see it's a gray, drizzly day. We've been stuck inside of a cloud all day, so it's been 100% humidity, water just dripping. It's cleared enough that I can griddle, and we're going to pizza. Pizza's always good, right, Baja? We're out of pepperoni. I thought we had some. We got some roast beef. I wonder what roast beef will be like on the griddle instead a as a substitute. I think it'll be good, at least on half, because I don't think my lovely assistant will really care for roast beef. Let's turn down the medium grill. Let's see, what could we do next? We were out of cheese. We had to toss our cheese because it had gone bad since our last pizzas. So Trader Joe's pizza season Toscano cheese. Sounds interesting, right? Let's pull the sword and break open into our Mia crust. I think we picked this up at Walmart. Oh. Okay. The cheese is safe, the meat's not. Anyway, where was I? Walmart. We don't have Walmarts in Santa Barbara. They've been banned. They're not allowed. They're considered evil. Closest thing we have is a Target store. We had a Kmart. They left. And yeah, let's go with veggie oil. Just a light layer of veggie. Anyway, Target moved in when Kmart left. It was like one of the highest producing Kmarts in the company because it was right next to UCSB. But they ruined the rest into oblivion. So, pizza crust from Walmart. Once in a while we have to make a sojourn a couple times a year to Walmart. There's some things you just can't get here, or it's half as much. So they're a necessary evil. Right, Baja? And Targets just don't have the same stuff. Yeah, we'll go a little bit more. We also have some pizza sauce. We've got some seasonings. Hopefully this will all work out. Fingers crossed, eh? Nudge, nudge, wink, wink. Know what I mean? If you get that, you probably also understand albatross. Get your albatross. Got a little bit of a toast on it. Let's add some tomato sauce. Think that's enough? Let's see. We'll use our spatula. Spread it around. Oh yeah, that's more than enough. That's plenty. La da 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 da. Da da da. Try to get it fairly even. And let's pick up our meaty things. We'll put them on half. Ball, found the ball. Oh boy. Let's hand out the sword. Okay, what do we got? We got shredded cheese, pizza seasoned cheese. And one of my peeves is when the cheese is nowhere near the edge. I don't know about you, that's my peeve. That looks good, doesn't it? A little more, you think? Okay, a little bit more. Kind of push it out there to the edge. And what else we got? We've got some chopped onion. Don't want to go too crazy. Too crazy. A little crazy. Half crazy. 1/4 crazy. 3/4 crazy. Do I have two? Two crazy? 3 crazy. Do I hear 3? Going once, going twice, 3/4 crazy. This is Italian seasoning. And chives. Because chives ain't going to hurt nothing. Can't go wrong with chives. Okay. Let's not cover it with that. No! Okay, I thought it was bigger. What else we got? We've got a tray inside. Should I go get it? You think? You think? I'm afraid this will burn. It's just about right. Okay, hold on just a sec. And welcome back. So we got this giant disposable pan, which makes a great lid until I get rich and I can afford one of those fancy Blackstone covers that covers half the griddle. This works just fine. Just fine. Right, Baja? Should I peek? Should I peek? What do you think? Should I peek? I think I should peek. Look at that. The cheese is melting. The crust is perfect underneath. And hello, lovely assistant, home from work.
Hello.
What do you think? Is that ready?
That looks good.
Okay. So, that's today's yucky gray dinner. And that's all we got. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day. Talk to you next time. Bye!